Hey Weeders, it's Elle here from the Weet team, and I want to show you how you can use Weet to create better, faster onboarding processes. Okay, so here I made an example. I made a new workspace and I named it onboarding. And this is just an example of what this could potentially look like for you. So I made like a welcome video. I can click into this here. I'll mute it, and it would just, I have this little welcome background, and I can say hello to my team or my new teammate. I can record a video for like each day. Day one, hey, here's what you're going to be doing. This is especially great in remote positions and remote situations. As you know, you can't have someone sitting next to you when someone's in Shanghai and the other person's in Chicago. So video messaging is a wonderful way to share knowledge. Another benefit is I only have to record this once and as many people as I want can see it. And with Weet specifically, there are sections in your videos and I can always just replace a section if the information is old or outdated. So that is how we use Weet for onboarding here at Weet. And we hope you enjoy. Thank you and happy weeding.